Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the cTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage, referral rewards, and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as cTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the cTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools, such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 4 on our list is Go Markets. Go Markets is a reputable broker which is based in Australia and has a client base consisting of more than 80,000 registered traders. These traders are provided with superior online trading services and solutions that cater to their trading needs and objectives, despite their trading skills, knowledge, experience, or trading styles. Go Markets specializes in trading through more than 600 tradable CFDs and a variety of Forex pairs, shares, indices, precious metals, and commodities. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. The Go Web Trader which is designed to be beginner-friendly and is available as a web browser interface. You will also be able to use premium tools such as MetaTrader Genesis, AutoChartist, and Trading Central. Go Markets offers two types of live trading accounts, and clients also have the option to use a risk-free demo account that they can use to practice on or to test new strategies. Both accounts require an initial minimum deposit of $200 and allow traders to be leveraged by up to 500 times the initial deposit amount. If you have never used the MetaTrader platforms before, or if you are new to Forex trading, Go Markets offers several helpful MetaTrader tutorials and a comprehensive introductory guide to Forex trading to help you get started. You can also visit their FAQ section to see answers to some of the most commonly asked questions if you are searching for any additional educational material with Go Markets. Coming in at number 3, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FPMarkets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FPMarkets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FPMarkets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, cTrader, TradingView, and the FPMarkets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FPMarkets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FPMarkets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FPMarkets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FPMarkets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. At number 2 on our list is Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a multi-regulated, multi-asset brokerage firm headquartered in Auckland, New Zealand. Established in 2014, the company has grown to serve traders in over 180 countries, offering access to more than 26,000 tradable instruments, including Forex, equities, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Operating as a true electronic communication network broker, Blackbull Markets provides non-dealing desk execution, ensuring transparency and competitive pricing for its clients. Blackbull Markets offers a diverse suite of trading platforms designed to accommodate traders of all levels, providing access to a variety of tradable instruments across different asset classes. Their platforms include TradingView, cTrader, the MetaTrader platforms, Blackbull Invest, and Blackbull copyTrader. These platforms support features like no minimum deposits, leverage up to 1 to 500, and 24/7 client support. Their platforms are designed to offer flexibility and efficiency to traders around the world. Blackbull Markets offers 3 primary account types: the ECN standard account, the Prime account, as well as their institutional account, each tailored to accommodate different trading styles and experience levels. All account types grant access to their full range of trading platforms, as well as a comprehensive suite of trading instruments. Islamic swap-free account options are also available for standard and Prime accounts, catering to clients who require Sharia-compliant trading conditions. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Their education hub features structured learning paths, guides which provide a concise overview of trading fundamentals, including asset classes, trading platforms, and essential terminology. Additionally, Blackbull Markets provides practical tools like economic calendars and trading calculators to aid in market analysis. To facilitate hands-on learning, Blackbull Markets offers demo accounts, allowing traders to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools necessary for informed decision-making in the financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best STP Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.